Some active weather. Blizzard warnings starting up across northern El Paso County, extending towards the plains. Really a mixed bag across El Paso and Teller County. High wind warnings for southern El Paso County. You're talking winds up to 60 miles per hour. Blizzard warning, northern El Paso County. There could be a gust in excess of 60 miles per hour. We also track some snow within this region. Winter weather advisory for Teller County. That's where a general 2, maybe 6 inches of snow, somewhere in that range across the entire county. We'll be keeping a very close eye on. I want to show you temperatures overnight because you do see we're in the teens, mid to upper teens. That's cold, that's frigid. That means the snow that is falling is very light and fluffy. Think, it's not the snowball snow where you can pack it together. That plays a big role with a day like tomorrow where we're tracking winds. More on that in just a minute. We watch our retrograding low spin from the east to the west. That means the snow is coming back. It's the same storm that tried to bring some of us Christmas Eve snow. Between about 2 to 5 a.m. it comes to fruition across the Palmer Divide, begins cranking from about 5 to 10 a.m. This is topography-driven snow. That means northern flow, downtown Springs, maybe we get a trace to an inch, but it's not really where we're anticipating some of these more significant weather impacts. Flurries out towards the plains. We will keep an eye, probably a few minor accumulations out there. We get a lull until about 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and then the snow machine turns on for the Palmer Divide once again. I think this is also our best chance for snow to dip south just a bit. So the Springs, you might need to wait till tomorrow night for a few flakes. 4 to 11, again, that's the window, which just on and off showers continuing for the eastern plains. Then Wednesday morning out the door, we still have some of the winds, but the snow showers begin to break apart. We also will be able to likely drop our blizzard, not wizard, wish I was a wizard, blizzard alerts by then. So downtown Springs, maybe a trace to 2 inches, but I do think though the 1 to 2 inch mark is more so up towards Woodman Road. You get up north and east of Briargate, 3 to 6 inches. Monument, you're likely looking at 4 to 8 inches. That'll continue north with isolated 8-inch reports. So there is the possibility Monument does break the 8 inches. It's just going to be very localized within the Palmer Divide. 2 to 5 inches generally out across Teller County. So very sharp cutoff, very sharp gradient with this storm. The other factor, northeastern El Paso County, even if the snow doesn't fully come to fruition, wind gusts in excess of 60 miles per hour will be possible. Something we'll keep a close eye on. Winds begin to calm down, but still by 2 p.m. we're gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour. Really through the day on Wednesday, we start to see them calm down. By Wednesday morning, it's likely tolerable out and about. So tomorrow I picked a random time. This is 11 a.m. for your hyper-local winds. 50 mile per hour gusts, Ellicott, Peyton, Monument Hill, you're likely 30 to 50 miles per hour during the really 11 to 1 p.m. window. Even Teller County, the winds are not as strong, but with some of that light fluffy snow, visibility will be a big issue across the entire region. I threw a lot of info your way. Here's the key takeaways. 5 to 10 a.m., 4 to 11 p.m. are 2 main windows for heavy accumulating snow. Windy across El Paso County and the Palmer Divide. Snow stays mainly north of the downtown Springs area. It's a cool day, but we are above freezing. Denver, the Springs, Pueblo, continuing out towards the plains. Looking at your 7-day forecast, we're still going to have the Christmas icons on here. If it wants to jump ahead here, Colorado Springs, wanted to keep Santa here, although Monday's not visible. We will watch some snow chances Tuesday. Then we do see really all of this precipitation move out of the region. It's calm and sunny for the remainder of the week. Not too shabby for any plans you may have. Pueblo, hope you're having a very Merry Christmas. Likely missing this event. The sun makes a return by Thursday. A nice weekend will be headed our way. Monument, game on with the snow. 4 to 8 inches will be anticipated across the Palmer Divide. It does begin to taper off by Wednesday. A big thaw out begins Thursday onward. Comfortable for the weekend. Woodland Park, likely 3 to 6 inches. Once again, though, Thursday onward, comfortable conditions. Canyon City, you're missing out on this event as well. Not too shabby tomorrow, although clouds will dominate the region. So, Tyler, a lot of information we're watching tomorrow. You just got to take it slow if you're out and about. Maybe even avoid heading up north across I-25.